Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can remove slide to answer option on your iPhone. Now, if you own an iPhone, you know there are two ways to answer calls. Let me just go here to Safari right here and tell you how does it work. Now there are two options. One is slide to answer and the other one is that you get two buttons, accept and decline. Now when your phone is locked, when your iPhone is locked, you'll probably get this option, slide to answer, because this is a way of Apple to protect you from taking unwanted calls, or if you accept the call by mistake. So this is, a way to protect you, because if your phone is in the pocket, you can't just attend the call because the slider requires you to touch it and drag it. So if your phone is locked, then you're going to get this option. But if your phone is unlocked, then you're going to get this option right here, because obviously when your phone is unlocked, that means you're using it. And when you're using it, you can make a decision more swiftly. So these are the two ways, but you can't just interchange them or, try to mingle with them. But on the other hand, if you want to have an option that is, you know, under more your control, then what you can do, you can go here to settings and click settings, and then you can go to accessibility, right, which is right here. Click accessibility, and then what you have to do, you have to go here to touch and click touch, and then you have to turn on the assistive touch. Now, when you turn on the assistive touch, it gives you more power and control over your phone, and you can use the assistive touch when your phone is unlocked and click it to take or decline calls. So this is the way that you can change the slider option, and then you can add this option, which will give you the authority, the power to answer your call via the assistive touch. However, if your phone is unlocked, then you cannot use the slider option. Now, this is something made by Apple to protect us, and Apple does not allow us to intermingle with these or keep one permanently. However, you can also use some third-party applications to change it and keep it according to your need. In my personal opinion, I would say the assistive touch would be the best option. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.